Hi, fourth graders. It's Mrs. Austin. Thanks for joining me today for math. Here are the materials that you'll need for today's lesson. We're continuing to work in Unit 7 called How Many Packages and Groups. We're working in Investigation 1 on multiplication with two-digit numbers. Today's session is Session 1.3, Making Estimates. And let's get started with Unit 7, Session 1.3, Making Estimates. 10-minute math today is called What Time Is It? This is problem number 1. I walked to the park this morning. I left my house at 6:35 a.m. and arrived at the park at 7:09 a.m. How long did it take me to walk to the park? Pause the video while you solve the problem on your paper. Once you've solved the problem, press pause again or play to continue the video. 10-minute math. What time is it? Problem number 2. I walked to the park this morning. I left my house at 6:49 a.m. and I arrived at the park at 7:22 a.m. How long did it take me to walk to the park? Pause the video while you solve the problem on your paper. Once you've solved the problem, press pause again or play to continue the video. Let's get started with Activity 1, Introducing Closest Estimate. Today we're going to talk about estimating or getting an answer that's close enough, even if it's not the exact answer. When do you think it might be useful to make an estimate? Can you think of a situation for 28 times 15 when all you might need is an estimate or to know about how much it is? Here's a situation. Let's say we have 300 students who need pencils. If pencils come in packages of 15, do we have enough if we have 28 packages? Think of a way to answer the question without actually solving 28 times 15. What do you know about the numbers in the problem that can help you make an estimate? I'm going to show you another problem. This time, I'll also give you a choice of possible estimates to look at. Your job will be to tell which one is the closest estimate. So let's think about these choices. 100? I think that's a little too low. 800? Maybe, because I know 40 times 20 equals 800. What about 1,000? Did anyone think about multiplying 40 times 25? I think that 1,000 would be the closest estimate. Your job now is to determine which of 3 possible estimates is the closest on Student Activity Workbook page 437. You can find this page posted in Google Classroom under Math with Austin in parentheses. The assignment is titled Closest Estimate Problems U7 S1.3. After determining estimates, please solve one or more of the problems and compare them to your estimates. Remember to use landmark numbers that you know to help you make the closest estimate, like we did on the previous slide, like 4 times 25 and 40 times 25. Pause the video while you work on this page to determine estimates. Press pause or play to resume the video. Discussion 3, Using What You Know. Let's look at problem 2 on Student Activity Book, page 437. 18 times 26. How did you decide which of these estimates was the closest? Did you maybe turn 18 into 20 and 26 into 25 and therefore changing both numbers to landmarks? Did you use 18 times 2 and then use a multiple of 10 to make the problem 18 times 20? What other strategies were useful when you were making a close estimate? Many strategies for estimating are perfect starting places for solving the problem. Okay, we're done for today. Now to the follow-up. Please complete today's daily practice on Student Activity Book, page 438. You can find this page posted in Google Classroom under Math with Austin in parentheses. Look for U7 S1.3 Daily Practice. Please complete today's homework on Student Activity Book, page 439. You can find this page posted in Google Classroom under Math with Austin in parentheses. Look for U7 S1.3 Homework. Also, please share the family letter with your parents on page 441, which is also posted in Google Classroom under Math with Austin in parentheses. Look for U7 S1.3 Family Letter. If you need help or have questions about this lesson, please visit me during my office hours, which is a Zoom live meeting today from 10:30 to 11:10 a.m. I am more than happy to assist you. I also have extra office hours to help with any other subjects on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 12 to 12:40 p.m. and on Wednesdays and Fridays from 3 to 3:40 p.m. I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday.